Good morning. I am Professor Eric Vance from the University of Colorado Boulder, USA, and the director of LISA, the Laboratory for Interdisciplinary Statistical Analysis. I'm also the director of our global LISA 2020 program. Welcome to the NSUK LISA and ISI STATA workshop. This workshop is an effort of LISA 2020 member Dr. Adenomon and others with support from the International Statistical Institute, or ISI. So the International Statistical Institute's mission is to lead, support, and promote the understanding, development, and good practice of statistics worldwide by providing the core global network for statistics. This is reflected in their slogan, Statistical Science for a Better World. ISI has received funding from the World Bank for statistical capacity building and is partially supporting this workshop today. A smaller group affiliated with the ISI is the LISA 2020 network of dozens of statistics and data science collaboration laboratories in 10 developing countries. LISA 2020 aims to build statistics and data science capacity to transform evidence into action. One of the best ways to transform evidence into action is to summarize that evidence or that data, to visualize the data, to model and analyze the data to make predictions, and gain understanding, insight, and knowledge from that data. This knowledge can then lead to conclusions and recommendations for action. So I want to emphasize that learning statistical analysis computing skills is important for everyone who needs to make decisions with data. And it's especially important for women to learn these statistical computing skills, because if only men have these skills, then only men will benefit from the extraordinary power of data and statistics. We need more women to learn these skills and to use them to make decisions so we can have better research, more profitable businesses, and better policy for a more equitable, just, and sustainably developing world. So finally, I would like to thank the host for this workshop, NSUK LISA, as well as the instructors, everyone else making this workshop a success, and of course you, the participants. You have made a great decision to learn statistical computing skills, and I wish you the best.